Hello everyone, good morning to all. In today's class we are going to discuss about multiplication of integers and we will see different properties of multiplication for integers. So let's see. First of all, the product of a given integer and minus 1 is the opposite of given integer. It means for finding the opposite of an integer, we can multiply that integer by minus 1. So for example, say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So if we multiply a number by minus 1, we'll get the opposite of that number. So for example, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 or 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So these numbers are opposites of these two numbers, and minus 3 and 3 are opposites of each other like this, or minus 2 and 2 are opposites of each other. Also we can say that by multiplying a number by minus 1 we can reverse the direction. So for plus 2, if this is the direction, for minus 2, this will be the direction. Similarly, for 3, this is the direction for plus 3 and this is the direction for minus 3. So for reversing the direction or for finding the opposite of a given number or given integer, we can multiply that number or that integer by minus 1. Then the product of a positive number and a positive number is a positive number. So if we multiply a positive number by second positive number, we'll get a positive number. So multiplication of positive and positive is positive. So plus into plus is plus. Then the product of a positive number and a negative number is a negative number. So product of positive number and a negative number is a negative number. So I'm not writing negative. Simply by this sign we can understand that it's a negative number. So positive multiplied by negative is a negative number. Then the product of a negative number and a negative number is a positive number. So negative number and a negative number is a positive number. So plus plus is plus, plus minus or minus plus is minus, and minus minus is also plus. Next, properties of multiplication. First property, if a and b are two integers, then a into b is also an integer. This is true. Next, if a and b are two integers, then a into b is equals to b into a. So we can change the sequence of multiplication. So changing of sequence is acceptable. Then next, a, b, c. If a, b, c are any three integers, then a into b into c equals to a into b into c. It means we can also change internal grouping in multiplication or order of multiplication. Then next, if a is an integer, then a into 1 equals to 1 into a equals to a, that number or that integer itself. Fifth property, if a is an integer, then a into 0 equals to 0 into a equals to 0. Always multiplication of any integer and 0 is always 0. Next, if a is an integer, then a into minus 1 equals to minus 1 into a equals to minus a, similar to this. Then last, distributive property, if a, b, c are any three integers, then a into b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c, or a into b minus c equals to a into b minus a into c. Now we'll solve exercise 5.6. First question, in the following refers to a number line and indicate the position of a point after the moves given in each question. Part A, it starts at the origin and makes 4 moves, each of 2 units to the left. So first of all, answer number 1, part A, in the number line. In the number line, so the problem statement is it starts at the origin, so we have to start from this point at origin, then it makes 4 moves, each of 2 units to the left. To the left means in this direction, in the negative direction. 4 moves, each of 2 units. So 0 to -2, first move or first jump in the negative direction of 2 units. Second move, third move, and fourth move. So after last jump or last move, we are somewhere here. So the answer is -8. Answer A is -8. Or simply we can write 4 into 2 in the left direction, so the negative direction, or 4 jumps of -2 or 2 in negative direction. So this is the final answer. Next, it starts at the origin and consists of 5 moves, each of 3 units to the right. Right. So again we have to start from origin, point O. It starts at origin and consists of 5 moves, each of 3 units to the right. So first jump of 3 units in right or towards right. Second jump, again step size is 3. Third jump, fourth jump, and last 5th jump, each of size 3 in the right. So now this is the final point, and the answer is 5 jump of 3. So 5 into 3 is 15, or plus 15 is the final answer. From 0 we have to start, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15. So answer is plus 15. Last, it starts at -2 and consists of 3 moves, each of 6 units to the right. Right. So we have to start from -2. This is the starting point. First point consists of 3 moves, each of 6 units to the right. So from -2, first jump of 6 in the right, then second jump from 4, again in the right, like this, towards right or in this direction. Third and last jump from this point, and now we are here. So 16 is the final answer. -2 initial point, then -2 plus, because we are starting from this point, so -2 plus 3 jumps of 6, negative or positive? Positive. So -2 plus 18 is 16 or plus 16. So plus 16 is our final answer. Here the answer is plus 15 and answer is minus 8. So these are all three representations of the given statements. Now second question, question number 2 from your book. Simplify. Right. So these are all problem statements. Simplify first. 12 into 3. Here, first number is a positive integer, second number again is a positive integer. So positive into positive will be a positive number, and we know that 12 into 3 is 36. So 36 or plus 36 is our answer. Then next, minus 3 into 5. First integer negative, second integer positive, and we know that multiplication of negative and positive is always negative. So the sign will be negative. 3 into 5 is 15. So minus 15 is the answer. Then next, minus 7 into minus 7. Both integers are negative. So minus minus is plus. Multiplication of negative integer and negative integer is always positive. And 7 into 7, 49. Or we can write 49 is the answer. Then next, minus 4 into minus 7 into minus 1. So initially what we can do is minus 4 into minus 7 into minus 1. So minus minus plus, multiplication of negative integer and negative integer always positive. 7 into 1, 7. And in the next step, minus 4 into plus 7. So 7 into 4, 28. Negative into positive, negative. So negative of 28 minus 28 is the final answer. Next, minus 21 into minus 2. Again we have two negative integers for multiplication. Minus minus plus. You know that multiplication of negative integer and a negative integer is positive. And 21 into 2, 42. So plus 42 or 42 is the answer. Now third question, again we have to simplify. 10 minus in bracket 5 multiplied by 17 into 3. So in the first step, it's better to solve this bracket. 5 into 17 minus 3 is 14. Now 5 into 14 is 70. So in the next step, 10 minus 5 into 14, 70, and 10 minus 70, 10 minus 70 is minus 60. So minus 60 is the final answer. Next, 64 minus 7 into 3 into 5. Let me check it. Yes, right. So in the next step, we can write 64 minus 7 plus 3 is 10 into 5. Then 64 minus 10 into 5, 50. And here 64 is a positive integer. Minus 50, negative integer, or simply 64 minus 50. So the answer is plus 14. So these are all answers. Next question number 3, part C. 1 into in bracket minus 3 minus 8 bracket closed minus 43. So in this question it's better to solve this first. So minus 3 into minus 8 is minus 11 bracket closed, then square bracket, and minus minus plus. So plus 43. Then what next? Minus 11 into plus 1. So positive integer multiplied by negative integer will be a negative number, negative integer, and minus 11 into 1, minus 11. So minus 11 plus 43. And the final answer is plus 43 minus 11. So 2, 3 minus 1, 2, and 4 minus 1, 3, plus 32 is the answer. Next, in square bracket, minus 7 into small bracket, minus 3 into minus 12, bracket close, plus minus of 27. So again, we'll multiply this first. So minus 3 into minus 12, 12, 3, 36, and minus plus or positive. Then plus into minus, again negative 27. Now before this, you have to multiply this. So 7 into 36 after calculation, you get 252, and multiplication of negative and positive number will be a negative number, and minus 27. So both are negative, 252 and 27, 279 with negative sign. So minus 279 is the answer. The next third part E, minus 6 into 3 minus 2. So minus 6 as it is, into 3 minus 2 is 1, and minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. So minus 6 itself is the answer. Next, answer 3 part F, minus 5 into 1, or multiplication of negative integer by 1. So we'll get minus 5 only. This is final answer. Similarly, third question, part G, 18 into minus 1. Multiplication of an integer by a negative number is opposite of that integer. So 18 into minus 1, minus 18. Next, part H, minus 6 into 0. Multiplication of any integer by 0 will get 0. So 0 is the answer. Part I, 5 into in bracket 7 minus 2. So 5 multiplied by 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5 into 5 is 25, and 25 is the answer. Now last, 4 into minus 5 into minus 6. So what to do? So 4 into 5 is 20, positive into negative, negative into remaining part minus 6. Again 6 into 20 is 120, and multiplication of a negative integer and negative integer. So minus is plus. So plus 120 is the final answer. Now question number 4, part A. So in question number 4, we have to state whether the following statements are true or false. First statement, the square of every negative integer is positive. So yes, this statement is true. Every negative integer. So if we write minus a and square of that integer. So for every negative integer, square. So negative into negative square means we have to multiply this number, negative a, twice. So minus will be a positive number. So yes, will be a positive number. So the statement is true. It's not working right. So yes, true. Then the square of every integer is positive. Square of every integer, no matter whether that integer is negative or positive, yes, this is also true. Square of every negative and positive integer, both are positive. So the statement is true. Last statement, the cube of an integer can never be a negative integer. No, it's not true for all cases, because in some cases like the cube of an integer, if your integer is a negative integer like this, then the cube will be a negative integer, because minus a to the power of 2 into minus a. Now here this number, this integer is a positive integer, and this will be a negative integer. So negative multiplied by positive will be a negative integer. So in case of negative integers, cube will be a negative integer always. So the statement the cube of an integer can never be a negative integer is false. False. F, or we can write false statement. Right. Next, question number 5. Complete the following multiplication table. So as you can see, these are first numbers and these are second numbers, and we have to multiply them. So minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16, similarly minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12, and so on. So for these boxes we have to multiply. So for this box, minus 3 into minus 4, so minus minus plus 3 4s are 12. Then minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, 0 into 4 0, 4 into minus 4 into 1 minus 4, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, similarly minus 12 and minus 16. Now we have to complete this grid or box. So minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9, 3 into 2 6, plus 6, this is plus 9, minus 3 minus 1 plus 3, 0, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 and minus 12. Similarly minus 2 and minus 3 plus 6, minus 2 and minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 minus 1 plus 2, 0, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 and minus 8. Then for minus 1, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 4. Then for 0, 0 multiplied by any number, positive or negative, will get 0. So we'll write 0. Then minus 4 into minus 3, minus minus plus, and 4 3s are 12. No. We have to multiply by 1. So 1 into minus 3, minus 3, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 1 into minus 1, 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Right. By 2, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, plus 2, plus 4, plus 6 and plus 8. Then by 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 9, then 3 into 2, minus 6, 3 into 1, minus 3, again 0, plus 3, plus 6, plus 9 and plus 12. Last 4, 4 into minus 4, 16, okay, 4 into minus 3, minus 12, then 4 into minus 2, minus 8, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, 4 into 0, 0, plus 4, plus 8, plus 12 and plus 16. So these are all values after multiplying these numbers, first number by second number. Next, question number 6. Study the above table carefully and answer the following. First, list the pairs of integers whose product is 12. So product is 12. Product is 12. 12 or plus 12. Product is 12. And we have two more values, 12. So product is 12 for answer number 6. Part A. List all the pairs of integers whose product is 12. So first pair minus 4 and minus 3, minus 4 minus 3. Second pair minus 3 minus 4. Third pair this plus 3 plus 4, and fourth pair plus 4 plus 3. So these are all 4 pairs for which the total after multiplication total is 12 or plus 12. Part B, list the pairs of integers whose product is minus 8. Similarly, minus 8. So this is minus 8, and we have one more value, yes, minus 8. So these are two values. Answer 6, part B for this, 4 minus 2, and this one 2 minus 4. So 4 minus 2 and 2 minus 4. Here we have two more box for which the value is minus 8, but ultimately the values are plus 2 and minus 4, plus 2 minus 4, and for that box minus 2 and plus 4, minus 2 and plus 4. So these are two pairs. Next, part C is minus 3 into 2. Let me write. Answer 6, part C is minus 3 into 2 equals to 2 minus 3. So yes, 3 into 2 6, plus minus minus, and here 2 into 3 again 6, plus minus minus, yes, both are same. So yes, and we have 4 into minus 1, 4 into minus 1 equals to minus 1 into 4. Again, values are same, minus 4 and minus 4. Plus 4 minus 1, minus 4, minus 1 plus 4, minus 4. So yes, both are same. Then, part D is 3 into minus 4 an integer. Answer 6, part D is 3 into minus 4 an integer. So 3 into minus 4 is minus 12, plus minus minus, 3 into 4 12, and minus 12 is a negative integer, but yes, it's an integer. So answer is yes. Yes, minus 12 is an integer, it's a negative integer. Now last question, number 7, fill in the blanks. Part A. So these are all the given statements, and we have to simplify them, or we have to write correct answers. So first, 5 into minus 6. 5 into minus 6 equals to blank into 5. So the answer is minus 6. And next, minus 5 into 3 plus 4. I think it's distributive property. Yes. So minus 3, minus 5 into 3, and minus 5 into 4. Minus 5 into 3, minus 5 into 4. 4 is the answer. 6 into minus 4 plus blank is 6 into minus 4, yes, and 6 into 3. So this must be plus 3. Next, 3 into 2 minus 1, 3 into 2, minus 3 into 1, distributive property, yes. Minus 3 into 0, 0. 0 multiplied by any number, any integer is always 0. Then 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 3 into blank equals to 6. So 6 divided by minus 3 minus 2, or if you multiply minus 2 by minus 3 you will get 6. So minus 2 is the answer. And here the answer is minus 8. So 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. So these are all correct answers. And this is all from my side. Now I'll request you to please solve all these problems in your notebook. And if you have any doubt, any problem in any of the question of integers or mathematics of class 6, please write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.